Yung leader.
Ikaw wala
Sana.
lang
Mount up.
Mount up.
No.
Ikaw wala.
AFK bird, AFK.
Sabihin mo, FK yung isa natin leader.
Mukhang yung bilis natin, Pert.
Pakita tayo
Speed.
ng
Ay,
nakamount.
God. Ay,
Wait lang guys, wait lang
Di
guys.
pa.
ano muna tayo? Mounted,
Strugglers kami, strugglers.
mounted up tayo magpapakita.
And
Fish.
Strugglers
Shit.
kami.
ano, may spider sila, gago, lugi.
Gagi yung spider.
Hindi ko pa na-craft
Go,
yun
go
sa
here,
akin.
go here, go here, go here. Southeast kayo, pwede. Dito tayo. Dismount. Ay, gagi wala pang mark.
ano yung Mark? Mark.
Mark. Ganda
Yung
nung
color
ano.
nila. Umark ka ng color nila. Tayo na may na-astral may astral na. Sheesh.
Eh, masusubok yung defensive niyo. And how to absorb.
How to dodge. Gamit ang
Oh, dito lang kayo,
mark
dito lang
shows.
kayo. Stay lang tayo dito.
Sugod.
Okay na?
Hindi pa nag-dismount si Pio eh. May spider nga oh. Ano ba yan? Battle mount ba yan?
Yung makapla.
Hindi.
Yung
T5 lang yan. T5 lang yan.
si Green, ang nasa mangkok tupsoy.
Nag-south sila.
Ayan,
Dito, dito tayo. Para yata pag nag-kite sila, ano eh. Ano, change court.
Choke fight bro.
Ayan,
Choke
Hindi,
fight.
change court tayo. Change court.
We play
Nag-dismount na,
by their
Change
ano.
court.
Si Spicy, makita si Spicy. Si Spicy bang...
Nasa northeast.
Spicy boy. Si Spicy talaga nagpapatagal dito eh.
Oh, game. Chupapi, stack up.
G na.
Wait.
Nyo.
Si
Stack,
Spicy.
kasi ano lang ah.
Tagal.
Okay ma. Fake.
Hi, spicy.
Gagon, ano? Tawag dito?
Ano ah. Oy guys. Ay yung malalim. 3,
Oh, mali si Spicy.
2, 1, autistic. Drop autistic.
Hello,
Skill.
Astralo. Astralo.
Uy, dito,
Oh,
coach.
Wait. Doon nga, nasa likod. Defensive po.
Ano ba yun?
Ako lang nabuhay.
Bro, wala yun ang defensive ni Dana.
Oh my gosh. Okay, push.
patay ako.
Push. Guys, mag-push kayo.
Patay
Push kayo
ako.
sa baba. Push.
Patay ako.
Engage, do you have engage? Hello.
Yes.
Engaging in
Ako
3,
meron.
2, 1, engage. On the ground. Wala na.
Oh,
Spread.
gagawin na ba?
Spread. Spread and brawl lang ah. Spread and brawl.
Patay ako, Pert.
Spread and brawl. Okay, we gotta do one more. I'm gonna fake. I'm gonna fake. Wait. Bro lang
Oh,
dito ba?
pinapala tayo.
Bro. Faking.
Kaya pag ako na-dismount.
Ay, na-dismount.
Okay. Ready. After the ano, GA 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Judy Hill, up here, go uphill. Judy, nice. Spread. Recover. Sino may healer pa tayo?
Dalawa, kompleto.
Sige. Spread and brawl. Do you have engage?
Naglalag si
Do you have engage?
Yes.
Okay, may 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the ground.
Revy!
Zombie ba?
No. No,
Zombie ba?
zombie.
Tinignan ko zombie, walang zombie.
No zombie.
Zombie daw.
Spread and brawl.
Nagtatanong pa kanit napadong lang men. Kalmahan nyo lang.
Spread and brawl.
Mainit ka masyado si Wabi.
Autistic.
Ted,
Engaging 3,
try mo i-dismount. Try mo ko i-dismount.
1. Kay
Ay,
Pio.
gagi, catch.
Ay,
Wala na daw.
Si autistic ko.
Autistic ko.
Men, ba't dalawa lang may ano dito?
Autistic.
Uy,
Guys, yung crown nyo
Uy,
ba
may
yung
nag-dismount.
crown nyo?
Gago. Oh, tayo na huli. Dismount. Dol.
Do you have
Dismount.
engage? 5 seconds engage. Walk down the hill. Ay, Iron na ba to? Nag-iron na ba sila?
We are ready.
Oh, ready.
We are
1. Engage. On the ground. Nice.
Nice one.
Oh,
Gino to,
mag-ano yan,
stop na.
patay ng bowler.
Guys.
Reset na, reset na.
Reset na daw.
Reset na.
okay.
No man.
No.
Oh no.
Partida, naglalag si Erzebet.
Change your head skill to mana regen for now.
Pahit daw, pahit. Para may mana.
Para naman. Ayun na. Stop
Patayin niyo,
na. Patayin niyo. Oy, wag. Oy. Shit, Dana. Come here.
There's no mana.
Na-miss ni Shea si Leorix, bro.
Biglang kinombo ni Catch, no? Tangina clean up.
Ano, binabaril ako pag
Ano?
nag-flex to.
Ang mule. Asan yung mule niyo, Purge?
Ayaw nga. I mean, go east, go east, go east, go east. Give them space, give them space. Go east, go east. East of the crown, east of the crown, east of the
Catch, doon pa sa...
east of the crown.
Catch, Catch,
Look, ako
doon pa
deep
sa
eh.
madami, Catch.
Pinapapak yung backline eh. Sige.
Oo, pinapapag yung pack.
Pinapapak.
Pagka ganun backline, mag-walk in na lang din kayo. Pero one at a time, preferably. Gagi oh.
Pero ready nyo lang.
Ang daming grow a garden. G na ba?
Basta choke. Ready on defensive.
Already defensive lang. G. Nag-hit na si Piwa. Sige na. Okay, walk in.
May stack kita. May stack ako, Leoric.
Leoric, ginagawa mo.
Nasa north. Nasa north.
Go,
ka,
walk
diba?
down. Lock na wait. Engaging lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Ano kami? Naklamp kami.
Defensive. I drop Judy. Nice. Give you push through. Push them. Push northeast. Push. 8 seconds. Sige. Oy, follow Piwa. East.
Uy, dito.
East. Engage ako in 5. Faking. Engaging ako in 5.
Okay, nice.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Defensive. Judy, another Judy. Do you have another Judy?
Wala.
Push through. Walk in. Recover yung kailangan mag-recover. Pahilap. Game. Don't fight on the stick. Okay, game ha. Walk in. Engage. South in 3. Okay, game after then root bound. 3, 2, 1. Engage. On the ground. Nice. Defensive.
Double tap ni
Judy,
PY yung ano niya.
I'm dropping Judy. Heal up on Judy. Spread and brawl. Ano daw? Stop hitting. Nice movement, guys. Let's go. Nice defensive na ulit. Also.
Wala namatay sa atin.
Surviving.
Good shit.
God damn. Ang ganda ng clamp nila doon kanina pag nag-survive tayo, Perd. That's a plus. Damn.
Yung unang engage, no? Na-absorb nyo.
Absorbed eh. Actually, pati yung dito sa choke dito.
Yung masyadong makulit siya eh.
Game. East of the crown. Go east of the crown.
Is-
Hit daw.
Hit nyo para ano.
Comboan nyo.
Oo, gagi na masaya.
Gago. Gago ka.
Stop. Go east of the crown. Bigyan natin ng 1 para matatrack ko din yung dinidil mong damage para.
CD pa daw.
Uy, atras kayo.
Go east.
Atras kayo, Bird.
Ready.
Nice, guys. Hey.
Kinuha kayo yung halaman.
Yung alaman. Kahit ako nga din eh.
Ay.
Si Maklin. Pag nag-hit na si Piwa, doon gawin G.
Pinatuloy.
Nag-Q.
Abangan ko na pag hit ni Pio. Hit ko na agad si Autistic.
Ang bilis eh, no?
Ready to react, bro.
Oo,
Tutukan nyo ng ano, boy. Tutukan nyo to.
Kasi wala yata silang space.
Statistic na.
Palibutan, gago.
Uy,
Uy,
patatawa.
sino?
Uy.
G na daw.
Okay na.
GH.
daw.
Good hapang puti. Stack up. Carving stack up.
Gago si Walman nagwawala.
Faking.
Sarado na yung...
Oo, na-fake. Ready defensive.
Diba?
Engaging 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sack round. Engage on the crown. Dropping Judy here. Defensive.
Pwede ka mag-lock sa northeast.
Defensive. Yeah, northeast. Brawl northeast. Oh,
Nasa west na sila, nasa west.
Kahit sila.
West.
Uy, nice one.
Take space west.
Pwede
Engaging
ka
ako,
catch.
engaging 5,
Hilahin mo.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the crown. On the crown. Spread and brawl again. Ready
Judy.
defensive. I don't have Judy. Ready defensive.
Mag-engage yan.
Defensive. Okay. Ready DPS.
Ready.
Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the stairs, at the stairs, at the stairs. Drop your E lang, drop your E. It's a natural clamp, natural clamp. Nice one, nice one. Kill the permo.
Arna.
Stop hitting. We go back
Okay.
at the middle. Nice movement, guys. Let's go.
Nakakapalag pala, Perd.
Uy!
Nice play, Si Suzy yung nag-push back, no?
Oo, ganda ng set ni Suzu. Damn, Suzu.
Prodigy, bro. Prodigy.
Just be humble, ha? Be humble, ha?
Oy, pahit daw. Ano mo?
Nag-engage bigla na. Stop hitting. Stop hitting. Go east.
Nanggigilat eh.
Hit the way.
Galeoric.
Gina. Pushing na
Dito,
sila.
wala pa. Go east.
Pushing for pistol.
Ay,
Gina.
GG. Okay.
Ano mo, dating kita. Yan na, go.
Okay, ma, looking at the stairs. Look at the stairs. 3, 2, 1.
Urlado, men.
Actual engage. Drop your E.
Rebound. Defensive.
Defensive.
Go.
I have Judy. Sige. Heal up.
Judy.
Brawl. I have Judy. Heal on Judy. Malo.
Cool down.
React ka.
Magulong ka na.
Ready ako cut 2 seconds.
8 seconds. 5. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. On the ground. Spread. Now, spread now.
Oy, ready na.
Spread. Defensive. Dana, may Judy ka pa ba? Naka-Judy ka ba, Dana? Wait lang.
Look ka na dito sa
8
west.
seconds. 5. Okay, ma. Engaging nga. Looking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. On the ground. Spread agad. May Judy ako.
Patay mo one man yung Donsong.
Spread and brawl.
Pero si Setujo, pinapatay yung AFK yun.
8 seconds engage. I have Judy. I drop Judy.
Donsong.
Okay. Engaging ako. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. On the ground. Big pull. Don't let them escape. Brawl them. Suzu.
Spread out.
Heal up. Spread and brawl. Heal up. Spread. Wait lang, engaging ako ha. Mag-fake ako in 5. Faking. R na daw. Stop.
Okay, yun.
Pag ganun, guys, huwag kayo pakampante na nananalo.
Oo, kaya pa rin
Pwede
maklap.
ano.
Yeah. Even though we're winning, still
Always spread
ready
out.
defensive and
If you
spread
don't
out.
have E.
Yeah. So we don't clump up and die together. Okay? We just spread out.
Kunti lang lamang natin. 40.
Pero wala tayong death yata doon sa ano? Did we die? Did someone die? Ay, meron nga pala, meron.
Matay si Repi.
Yeah.
I died
Oo.
kanina.
Si Repi.
Casual.
Nung pinakauna.
Okay. Hindi yung...
Binugbog ako nung pag-iko.
Ano ba pwede
Rizal
ba?
kanina ba?
May bracer ka ba, Revi?
Meron.
Try mo nga bracer ka.
I brace it.
No, Suzu,
Give it to.
You're too good to use spike gauntlet, so stare as spike gauntlets. bro.
hindi kasi kung
Repi,
off-timer
pwede
siya-
ka pwede ka
Guys,
mag-push.
Suzu.
Para ano, hindi ka
Gina daw.
GG, push. Stack up.
Engage,
Defensive. Okay, it's a fake.
Fake lang, fake.
It's a fake. Eh,
Pwede ka na mag-pick
Fight sila, fight sila.
1. Sa choke. Drop your E. Spread.
Judy.
Dropping Judy.
Judy.
Spread. Tinola
Session
dyan.
burado kayo.
Hilon
Uy,
Judy.
gago.
Loko yun.
Yun yung si Suj.
10 seconds engage ha. Spread and roll. Spread. Focus heal. Defensive. Faking ako.
Catch.
Faking now. Faking. Done.
Yeah,
Nice fake. Nice fake. 3, 2, 1. Engage. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground. Engage. 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 Nice engage. Nice engage. Nice engage. Nice engage.
Spread
Now
out, spread out,
Spread
spread out,
and heal.
spread out.
Spread and
Patayin mo
heal.
yung susunod.
Spread and
Rebi,
heal.
patayin mo
Spread
yun.
and heal. Spread and heal. Spread. Spread and burn. Arn daw. Stop hitting. Stop hitting. Stop
Ah, we
hitting.
are,
Stop
we are.
hitting. Stop.
Okay, okay.
Nice.
Dana, I will call kung ikaw yung magdadrop ng ng Judy na lang. Dana, Judy, lang ako root down Judy, okay? Para hindi tayo magsabay. Dalawa lang naman tayo eh. Ako mauuna kasi
Uy, hit nyo to, oh.
try ko i-predict.
Gagi, pini.
Go. Is of the crowd. Gagi, in-engage dyan eh. Is.
Tusok sa puwet.
Go.
Tara.
Yun na daw, G. Okay. Stack. Picking.
Engage agad sila.
Pwede ko
Sa
mag-group
DPS
dito
na-
sa Southwest. Southwest.
Wait,
Tulong siya.
look at the ground. 3, 2, 1, engage on the ground. Engage. Defensive. Gagi, nag-Judy din ako, Dana.
Uy, defensive
Pila. Focus heal. Ilang seconds cooldown nyo? Ilang seconds? Seconds. Cooldown.
Ayun.
10.
3 seconds ako, catch.
Okay,
Ready ako,
engaging
catch.
the ground. 3, 2, 1. Saklan. Engage, saklan. Nice. Spread.
Spread agad.
Full spread. Spread and bro. Spread. Don't get hit. Spread. Nice stun. Engaging ako. Engaging 5.
Sa west.
Ready
Sa
ako.
south.
Five,
Dito
four,
sa south. Dito
Ready
sa
ako,
south.
catch.
2, 1. Attack round. Drop your E.
Nice.
Nice.
Full delete, bro.
Spread and brawl.
Sige, patay mo.
I have Judy. R. Nice damage, Suzu. What the
Hindi
fuck?
ko finish yun. R na daw eh.
Sige, kalma, huwag mo na bulin.
Do it now. Go east.
Sa Leoric. Asa
East
si Leoric.
of the crown. Gaginitay. Hinihintay yung
Mana.
Oo, di na matamaan mo yung low ah.
Dala ni Leorix, di pa nga namamatay. Sheesh.
Tibay, no? Gago.
Nadala siya, bro.
Naka-Judy ba naman, Perk?
Judy. Sige, Dana, ikaw na lang mauna. Total, mabilis reaction time mo eh. Ikaw mauna mag-Judy ah. Kailangan, maabot mo yung maka-clamp up na nga lang. Positioning mo na lang ganun. Don't drop yung E kasi
Ano
left
sila,
yata
opposite sila.
Opposite
Opposite
okay,
sila,
okay.
opposite.
Sige.
Ah,
Go north.
tara.
Ano ba yung cooldown ng ano?
Si ano eh.
30 seconds. Day na pang recover natin yung ano mo if sumasabay yung life curse ah. Sa engage nila. Huwag mo pang headbutt yung oath. Pag low tayo, pagka low, siya mo gamitan ng oath para...
Ready na.
Ready. Game. Faking. Gagi, bumaba. Okay, push. Walk through. Engage
DPS,
yung
catch.
3, 2, 1. Underground.
Ano tayo?
Asan yung ult? Ang tagal ng ult.
Spread. Another Judy here. Heal on Judy. Cooldown. What's your cooldown? Cooldown.
10.
3 seconds. Ready ako.
Okay,
Kahit
wait
hila
lang.
lang.
After you have the 3, 2, 1. Engage. On the ground. Big. Engage. Spread. Judy, defensive. Okay, spread and brawl. We're winning the brawl. Spread and brawl. Cooldown. What's your cooldown? Sige.
10 seconds.
6
Ready ako.
seconds. R na ba daw?
Nag-R na?
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Nag-R ba?
No.
No.
R na, R na.
Hindi, hindi
Di
pa.
ba?
Hindi naman.
Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Uy,
lagi
ano,
na-push ako. 1, okay. Antak na.
Engage siya mag-isa oh.
Back muna. Uy, taas muna kayo.
R na ba daw? Hello? Nag-R ba?
Arda, ayun.
R na. Go.
Ayun lang,
go
ano
at
na.
the middle.
Ayun pa lang, ayun pa lang.
Ayun pa lang. Kala mo nag-R na kasi kanina, hindi ko na nakita.
Pambuhan niya si Leoric.
Ito si
Nag-engage
Leoric.
daw. Kinukulang yata ako.
Mana, Leoric. Bigay na mana.
Ay, naliori ka tibay bro.
25 seconds. 25 seconds pala yung ano ko.
Tell me.
Do we have DPS that has 25 seconds? Si ano si
Me.
May army ba tayo?
Hindi naka
May-
Yung RB. Yung RB.
Yung RB.
Yung RB.
Kami dalawa ni Shek.
Okay. So 25 seconds lang din pala ako. Wait. Si Sesuj na yung magsasabi
Si
ng
Sesuj.
cooldown kasi siya yung pinakamatagal 25. 25 seconds engage natin. Hindi 25 din pala yung akin, 25 din akin. Same cooldown kami ni ano.
Yan. Okay, gago. Ready na ba? Ready na
Wait
ba
lang,
ito?
wait lang. Okay, GG. Stack, carving you need stack.
Hi. Walking.
Faking.
Pulado
Uy, what
agad,
Gagi,
gagi.
pulado na agad. Fake. Already engage in 5,
Touches.
4,
Likod.
3,
Look lang.
2, Judy, defensive. Engaging 3, 2, 1. Engage sa crown. Drop your damage sa crown. Drop your damage. Go east and heal up. East, heal up.
Bro, hindi napatay yun.
Heal up. Bro, heal. The crown.
Malaw sila, oh.
Look at the crown. Engaging in 5, 4,
Push mo lang, Chi.
3, 2, 1. Engaging deep. Ready defensive. Go down the hill. Ready defensive. Defensive. Walk down the hill. What's your cooldown? 6 seconds pa.
Ready ako, catch.
Wait.
Ready ako.
Ready?
Hanapin mo ako catch.
Engaging 3,
Dito sa akin. Yan.
1. Engage on the crown. Then spread a bit more. Don't get clamp. Judy, dropping Judy.
Ayun, kagatin nyo.
Yeah.
Judy.
Judy. Tinola, nasa south yung Judy. 5 seconds engage, 5 seconds. Ready engage in 5. Ready engage in 5. Faking now.
Hilahin mo sa
Engaging
stairs.
Tagal lang fake mo.
Stairs.
Tagal lang fake
One.
mo.
Stairs. Drop your ears. Drop the crown. Nice drop.
Spread lang, spread.
Spread. Defensive. Pop. Spots. Nice. R na daw. Stop hitting. Para may isa pa tayong fight.
Tungin na nyo.
Uy. Stop
Tama
hitting na
na,
guys.
huwag niyo patuloy. Para to may laban pa.
Isang fight pa to.
Daming kill ni Revi ah. What the fuck?
Kaya may damage. Nung nawala nga
Sheesh.
siya. Yung damage nung namatay si Rev. Wala tayong damage kanina eh. Nung nawala siya eh.
Fish gagi.
Baka drop ko ng imi, namamatay eh.
Sabog,
1
di
minute,
ba?
1 minute.
1 minute. Yeah.
Touch,
Go
1 minute.
Wait lang. Pag nag-G sila, G na agad tayo. Para hintayin natin mag-regroup sila eh.
Pucha, may stock na agad kay Kacho.
Sheesh, 2 sucks. Go east. On my east.
1 minute na lang, ah.
On my east. Pag nag-G sila, hindi pa sila nag-G. On my east. May mga nagre-respond pa sa kanila eh. On my east.
Uy, huwag niyo pupukin.
Okay, game plan natin mag-engage agad ako ng hila lang ah. Walang golem, hila lang. Engage. True engage. Wait, wala pa.
Hindi na ba?
Okay lang.
Okay, G. Walk in. Walk. Engaging 3, 2, 1. Engage, sakran. Engage. Oh, Judy. Defensive. Walk in. Defensive and walk in.
Uy, hindi mo.
Hindi. Ano yan? Walang cooldown pa. Cooldown pa yung mga skills. DPS, cooldown. What's your cooldown?
Ready ako, ready ako,
Ready,
ready ako.
2, 1, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground. Drop your E, drop your E, drop your E, drop, 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 drop. Nice drop, nice drop. Okay, spread now, spread now, spread now, spread now, spread now, spread now, spread now. Spread, 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 spread. Defensive, defensive.
Nice
Nice one.
fight.
Hindi po,
Gogi.
nag-type muna bago defensive.